warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wassalamualaikum.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to tell a story about Hansel and Gretel.
Hansel and Gretel.
Once upon a time, there lived a small family. They were poor, but they were happy. One day, their mother got pretty sick and died. The father was sad and mourned the mother dead. So he thought that if he get another wife, he'll be happy. Months later, he got remarried. But their stepmother was evil. Hansel and Gretel didn't like their stepmother because whenever the father left, she always forced them to do harsh labors. One day, the stepmother goes to the father. I think we should throw away the kids into the wood. We don't have enough money to feed those brats. The father thought it was a bad idea and told the mother to go away. If he didn't want to do it, I'll do it myself, said the stepmother. Hansel overheard the conversation, decided to grab a piece of bread to prepare for tomorrow. The next day in the morning, Hansel and Gretel with their stepmother went into the forest. They go to the deep, deep forest. And their stepmother told them to stay at the wood trunk while she's leaving them alone. As the night passes, they decided to go back home, following the crumbs. The woodcutter was happy to see them back. The stepmother was shocked seeing the kids back. How could you leave them into the woods? Said the father. Well, I'm sorry. I was pretty old and I didn't realize that I forgot them. Said the stepmother making excuse.
That's the story. Okay? Yes.
The end.